Osomo. This is a word that has been given several very interesting meanings, but that is not the one we are talking about here. And Osomo is not a Casanova or womanizer or anything of the sort. The meaning is far more beautiful. Ọmọ tó wá láti ṣe ọmọ là ń pè ní Osomo. In Yoruba land, when we pray for you by saying ọmọ rẹ á ṣe ọmọ fún ẹ, or when we say wàá ṣe ọmọ fáwọn òbí rẹ, we are saying that you shall live to fulfill the duties of a child to your parents. And these duties are very broad, not to be streamlined to money or monetary gifts. The benefits of having a child are replete, and they are listed in the Yoruba concept of Oúnjẹ ọmọ. So, an Osomo is a child who has come to be an offspring. This is a child proper. This child is not going to be an Abiku, for instance. An Abiku did not come here to be an offspring. An Abiku has come just to observe temporarily and then disappear. That one is not an Omo. An Omo is the one who has come to stay and build something, which is the literal meaning of the word Omo, the one who builds. Èyí tí ń mọ. Mo means to build or to mold. If you have not come with an intention to stay and build, then you are not an Omo. But if you have come with an intention to stay and build with your parents, then you are an Omo. Then we can call you an Osomo. Ọmọ tó wá láti ṣe ọmọ. That is the kind of child that every parent wishes to have. An Osomo. Wàá Ṣere.